Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and if your family loves creating art as much as my family does, then you are definitely going to want to get some of these watercolor brushes by UPINS. These brushes, first of all, include a lid, which is great for keeping your brushes nice and damage-free. This little tube that is connected to it, you actually fill it with water. You can hold it upside down and it's not going to leak water. You actually have to squeeze it for water to drip out, and it's at a very controlled rate. So once you stop, see, it doesn't keep squirting out water. It lets you control the flow of water and how much you want to use. My daughter loved using these. She kept talking about how awesome it was, how much fun it was. She said, I thought this was gonna be really difficult, but this is so much fun. I love doing it. And I just loved hearing her say that. That just made my heart so happy. So you can do all sorts of paint strokes with these watercolor brushes, not just one type. It's fun to really play around with and get creative with them. I did purposefully leave them laying out on the table for more than an hour just to see if the water would leak out onto the table, and it did not. Cleanup is a breeze, plus you don't have that nasty cup of multicolored water on the table that always ends up being knocked over. These have been such a fun addition to our always growing craft supplies, and I really think you should check them out. That's just my point of view.